Introducing the Flaming Coals Offset Smoker Charcoal Basket. This is used to effectively control the burning of your wooden charcoal when cooking on a charcoal smoker. The 10mm laser cut holes cover the entirety of the 1mm thick stainless steel basket. This allows the air to be pulled into the smoker box to flow around and through the charcoal before moving through to the cooking chamber, creating an even burn and stable temperatures. To use, simply fill 2/3 of the basket with charcoal, add some flavoured wood chunks through the basket, light some charcoal separately, add the charcoal to the basket when ready, and away you go. This is the charcoal basket after about 3.5 hours. This basket is suited to the Flaming Coals Texas offset smoker, as well as a wide range of other offset smokers. Each side of the basket measures 25 centimeters, so it can handle up to 5 to 6 kilos of briquettes or charcoal. The Flaming Coals Offset Smoker Charcoal Basket is easy to clean, easy to use, and is available now.